These are some examples of oxidized tips. Here's an example of removing oxidation with the scrub pad. Make sure your tip is at room temperature and is not warm to the touch. Use a back and forth motion on the tip to remove oxidation. Continue to use pad until all the oxidation is removed. An alternative to the scrub pad is the Hexacon tip scrubber. This will also result in a bright, shiny tip. If your tip becomes blackened, you can remove the buildup by rubbing it on a wet sponge. Removing surface oxidation on the tip using mechanical abrasion is the first step. The second step is chemical cleaning, which is one of the functions of the flux. Apply the paste flux to the cool tip with an acid brush. As soon as the iron is hot enough to melt the solder, flood the tip with solder. If you wait too long to apply solder to a hot tip, de-wetting might occur. Tip does not tin. Cool down iron and tip to room temperature to remove oxidation. Copper tips can be filed down to remove oxidation and to retin. Never file plated tips. Use a cylindrical soft wire brush to remove scaling or oxidation in the element core. This will prevent the tip from being frozen.